How to add Linktree to Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account. Then navigate to your profile section at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now this is where you upload the Linktree in your Instagram bio. Now let's simply go back to the home screen. Now once you go back to the home screen, tap on the Safari or any web browser and make sure that you are logged into your Linktree account there. So as you can see, I have signed up to my Linktree account. So now all you have to do is tap on the URL option available there and copy the URL of your Safari Linktree. Copy it. Make sure you have copied it properly. Now all you have to do is go back to the Instagram app on your profile. Then tap on the edit profile option available there. Then tap on the links option available there and tap on the add external link. Then paste it. Now you can also give it a title, like you can give it a title like watch my latest video or anything according to your preferences. Here I have kept Linktree. Then tap on the save. Now go to your profile and here is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.